Hell motherfucking yeah. This one goes out to my nigga Mike Cooley. Hell yeah. Born thuggin', heartless and mean, mugging at 16 on the scene, watching fiends bugging, kicking up dust with the old